kind of pointless. Hey guys, it's been more than 5 hours since Hey guys, happy fall. Who's ready for fall? I'm ready for autumn, where you get to wear oversized sweaters, leggings, boots, Uggs, all the basic shit that we all love, which is so cozy. The most cozy time of the year is definitely fall, and you get your pumpkin latte and everything basic and amazing. So this is the lip shade in Pouts, like Christmas line, but then she relaunched it as her main line. So if I'm wrong, please correct me down in the bar below, but this is the lipstick, so you know what the lipsticks actually looks like, because whenever I buy a lipstick, I like to look on reviews, see if the person likes it. This is the lipstick, a matte finish. It's really comfortable, especially since I have dry lips. Difficult to wear matte lipsticks, but with Kylie Cosmetics, the color, I absolutely love it. It's like that perfect fall color, and the color that I don't wear every day, but I absolutely do really love this color. It's really perfect, that fall-esque vibe feel to it. I am also doing a fall outfit for the week, inspiration for ideas of outfits that you might want to create or look for if you're interested. So yeah, I will check back in with you within a couple of hours, and we'll see how well this lipstick holds up. Hey guys, what's good? It's been more than 5 hours after I had water and I had food. This is the aftermath of what this lipstick looks like. You can see a little bit of patching on the inner part of my lips, but the overall of the lipstick, the staying power is amazing. I eat anything or drink anything with any other lipsticks, they always come off and rub off, and I would always have to reapply it. So after I ate, I went to the mirror, looked in the mirror. I was just so shocked how good this lipstick is. I'm just gonna sit down because it's so much more comfortable. First of all, stayed on throughout the whole entire day. Second, there is a bit of transfer, but it's not that noticeable, especially since it is a darker liquid lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics. It has more pigmentation, lasts so much longer, prone to be less fade resistant. It doesn't fade as much. This is the perfect fall color. I absolutely love how long this lipstick lasted, especially throughout the day. I did not have to reapply it at all, just once and done. From afar, it still looks like you just applied the lipstick. This is, I'm never going back to any other lipstick. Absolutely amazing. Do you like Kylie liquid lipsticks or just her cosmetics? Hit the thumbs up and also comment down below what your favorite. Do you guys like Kylie Cosmetics product or lipstick from her that you absolutely love, that you would recommend that I should try out? So let me know. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe, and so you don't lose me in this whole YouTube insane fanatic YouTube world. Don't forget to smile and be yourself. The perfect person will like you for who you are. Never lose yourself for someone else, because the perfect person will like you for who you are, and you grow with each other. So thank you guys so much for watching us, guys, in my next video. Bye guys, have an amazing day.